You don't get many opportunities like this. Welcome to Flamingo's manufacturing facility. We are so excited to give you just a glimpse into many of the exciting things to come. As you know, Flamingo features all sorts of cool, unique features on our boats, but the way we build the boats is even more special. I'm coming to you from 233,000 square feet of manufacturing facility in southeastern Wisconsin. We're walking from the east to the west. Lake Michigan is that way, and Lake Country is that way. And as we walk this line, what you'll see is each stage along the way, our boats are getting more and more content put onto them. From bow lounges to consoles to wings to mega lounges to the Gemini table. So as we've walked the line, you can see in the background a number of the boats and how they're coming together. So we can fit quite a few boats on our line, and what's neat about that is many of the things that you check out as a customer, we're checking out along the way. So we're not waiting until the end of the line to do all our quality checks. We're actually doing quality checks at every step along the way, many of which you're checking as a customer and your dealer's gonna check when they receive the boat. So we've engineered quality into the product, but we've also engineered quality into the process. We're checking it. Over here, you've got our rigging center where we're actually installing the engines, the power biminis, the tow bars, and then we move into what is affectionately called the hive, or our quality assurance area. We're looking at graphics, interior, upholstery, and making sure everything is perfect. After that, we move into a complete 300-point quality check where we're confirming all the quality along the way, running through our electrical testing, testing our lights, and from there, we pack these boats up and we ship them out. What this is all about is craftsmanship, quality, and technology. Flamingo engineers the quality into the boat, quality into the process, and quality into every component. We then work together with our assembly team to make sure that each of these points has been understood along the way. We focus on safety for our team, quality for our products, and productivity so that we can get your boat to you. So we're very excited about this next phase in Flamingo's development, and we're in production. Welcome to Flamingo.